Hello guys, welcome back to Kenso YouTube channel. In this video you will learn how to make V-shape Egyptian Khimar for your baby girl or for your princess using just 1.5 yards of your fabric. If you want to make it for just one child, you will need one yards of your fabric, but here we made use of 1.5 yards of fabric to make this V-shape Egyptian Khimar for a 5-year-old and 1-year-old baby girl. So do ensure to watch this video till the end. I know you might be surprised, like, how did we achieve that? Yes, we achieved it, and this is the beauty we made from it. So all you need to get is 1.5 yards of your fabric of choice, and this video will be a guide for you to achieve what you want to achieve. So let's get started. The first thing I did was to fold the whole of the fabric by the fabric length. And this is what you see right here. We have 2 folds here. I was trying to see what measurement I could make the 5-year-old hijab length to be before we start the tutorial. So the length of the back of hijab for the 5-year-old or for the oldest child is 31 inches. Remember, Egyptian Khimar, the back must be longer than the front, and same as all Khimar also. If this is the first video you are seeing of Egyptian Khimar, V-shape Egyptian Khimar, and you want to make it for yourself, do ensure to check the channel. We have a tutorial for adult V-shape Egyptian Khimar. So I cut it on this side just so that I will be able to fold each part separately, so that we can easily transfer the measurements for front of hijab separately as well as back of hijab separately. So the next thing I did was to take the neck depth measurement, which I measured 4.5 inches, and the neck width I measured 2.5 inches. So on the side of the hijab right here, I measured 14 inches and connected the measurement. I did not take any measurements here. I only used the tape as a guide to get the straight line I need before people start asking what measurements I took on this side. So remember, the length of the back of hijab is 31 inches, so which means we'll be deducting some inches from the front of hijab. So I deducted 5 inches from the front of hijab, and I connected that 0.5 inches to this shoulder, to this sleeve measurement. So I connected it to the side of the hijab as seen and cut it out. Remember, when making Egyptian Khimar, you have to cut just the front of hijab for this line we drew for the face circumference measurement, while the sides you cut both, everything together for both front and back. If this is your first time here, do remember to subscribe. You have come to the right channel for your DIY modest wear tutorials. We have variety of Egyptian Khimar tutorials for you on this channel, which are self-detailed and well-detailed and self-explanatory. So this is what we have. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to draw the curve for the back of hijab measurement. I don't want it to be very pointed, and that is why I'm using my hand to draw the curve. If you want it really pointed, you use your ruler to connect both points together. So this is what we have. So this is how we cut the hijab for the 5-year-old. So the fabric I cut out from the front of hijab, I folded it and used it to cut the hijab cap. So the measurement for the hijab cap is 5 inches by 4 inches. And then I connected the measurements. So now I'll be folding the remaining fabric right here for the other Egyptian Khimar. and I divided the fabric at this side, on this side. Ensure to take note of all this, and that is the main reason why I ensure to not forward the video in any way, so that you can see how I folded the fabric easily. So I folded each of the fabrics separately, just like I explained earlier, to easily transfer the measurements for front of hijab separately, as well as the back of hijab. So the length for this hijab is 29 inches. For the neck width, I measured 2.5 inches, and neck depth I measured 4.5 initially and changed it to 4 inches. So the neck is 2.5 inches by 4 inches. On the side of the hijab right here, I measured 13 inches and connected it. You can see that the sides of this fabric is not intact. You shouldn't worry about that if your fabric come like that. You should be more concerned about the point where the 13.5 inches actually stop. Ensure that they are intact for both front and back. Remember, it is V-shape hijab, so definitely cut that out. So I deducted 5.5 inches from the front of hijab and connected it. So this particular one I'm cutting right now is for a 1-year-old child. You can as well make it for a 2-year-old, 3-year-old. It is very okay for them. You can see that the sides of the khimar or the fabric is not intact, and I was still able to transfer the measurement and achieve what I want to achieve. In case your fabric come like this, you shouldn't worry at all. So this is how we performed the magic and made 2 Egyptian khimar from 1.5 yards of our fabric. So the pieces I cut out from the front of hijab is what I'll be using to cut the hijab cap. I measured 5 inches by 4 inches and cut. So guys, do let me know if you'll be trying this out in the comment section, and if this is your first time here, do remember to subscribe to this channel. Do ensure to like this video and leave a comment, and do ensure to watch the ads displayed on your screen. These are the ways you can support this channel. If you are yet to like this video, please do like this video and leave a comment. We really love you guys and we appreciate it. So this is the beauty we made, and this is one of the beautiful 2-layer khimar I made also. If you would like to see the tutorial for this video, do ensure to let me know in the comment section. If I get up to 50 comments, I'll definitely make the tutorial for it. These are score for our hijabs, which are also available for sale in our store. Do ensure to check them out and patronize us. See you in my next video. Bye.